Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we got the knowledge of Germany. What was the condition of Germany after Second World War with the help of small child, and we understood the condition which was there at the time of Second World War. Today we are going to discuss about the birth of the Weimar Republic. Germany was very strong empire, and it fought First World War with the help of Austria and against the England, Russia and France. Russia, France and England, they thought that they will win quickly on German, but when the First World War started, it took long time, about 5 years to end, and the lot of resources of European country were used in this First World War. And in beginning, Germany defeated France and Belgium. His position was good, but after the entering of United States of America in war, it was defeated, and the new rule, democratic rule of Weimar Republic was started, because the emperor left his seat, left the rule, but the German people do not like Weimar Republic, because there was a very harsh treaty on Weimar Republic, and lot of places, lot of areas were taken by the other country who were fighting with German, and Germany people do not like the Weimar Republic due to humiliating treaty at Versailles. The peace treaty at Versailles with Allies was harsh and humiliating peace. Germany lost its over colonies and 13% its area, 75% iron, 26% coal mine, and it was taken by France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. In this way, it lost its respect due to that treaty, and 6 million, there was a bond which Germany have to give to the Allies. It was too humiliating. That is why the people of the Germany, they do not like Weimar Republic, and in future this Weimar Republic was not able to solve the problem of the Germany people of the unemployment, and also it was not successful because in the constitution in which the rules and regulations were given, they were not in favor of Weimar Republic, and sometime or many times there was a presidential rule in Weimar Republic, and its condition was not so good, and it gives way for the dictatorship, to rule of dictatorship in Germany. The next topic which we are going to discuss is the effect of the war. The effect of war, always it is very bad on every country, and the same thing happened in the Europe also. Europe was at that time in good position. It was giving credit to other continents country, and it was ruling to the different part of the world where they established their colonies. But due to this world war, its condition become very worst. It was giving credit to other, now it becomes debtors. It was taking loan from other country, and also in that country the condition of Weimar Republic was supported by Democrats and Socialist and Catholic Church, but these Socialist and Catholic Church and Socialist were targeted by the conservative nationalists every time, and there was a way for dictatorship. The condition of the entire continent was not good. Everywhere there was unemployment, and the society was mentally and economically suffering. Everywhere the people of society were unable to earn money, and the worst condition was of Germany because of the humiliating Treaty of Versailles. And at that time, media and great leaders, they were admiring the soldiers, but the condition of soldiers was not so good. They were living very miserable life, and they were surrounded by dead body eating rats, and they were fighting the enemies. They were suffering due to poisonous gas. Their condition was not so good, but there was a admiration in the media and by the leaders.